Okay, now we are talking about the unification of Italy. Okay, so there were two wars led by Giuseppe Mazzini that we have already learnt. Okay, so there Giuseppe Mazzini he tried to unify Italy in 1830, and there was one more revolutionary uprising in 1848. Then, so both of these revolutionary uprising were suppressed by the conservative monarchs. So listen, map is not much important, but it is very easy for you to understand how Italy was unified. That is why I use this one. So here, Victor Emmanuel II was the king of Sardinia Piedmont. See, he was the king of Victor Emmanuel II. He was the king of this area. Then Sardinia Piedmont, it was the Italian princely state. Okay, and this the ruling elites thought that the unified Italy offered the possibility of economic development and political dominance. Then here, see this area, in the north area, who was the ruler? This north area was under the rule of Austria. Okay. And the south area, it was under the rule of Bourbon kings of Spain. Okay, and this central area, it was under the rule of Pope. Okay, so different places are there, but each were under different dynasties. Here you can see in the north side it was under Austria, and in the south side it was under the Bourbon kings of Spain, and in the central area it was under the rule of Pope. So here what happened? The chief minister of King Victor Emmanuel II, who was that? It was Count Camillo Cavour. We can call him Cavour, who led the movement to unify the regions of Italy. Was neither a revolutionary nor a democrat. He was not a revolutionary, not a democrat, and he spoke French much better than he did Italian. Means French is very fluent for him. He was very fluent in speaking what? French language. So, through a tactful diplomatic alliance with France engineered by Cavour, Sardinia Piedmont succeeded in defeating the Austrian forces. It was in 1859. There was war with Austria. Okay. So, Count Camillo Cavour. We can write Cavour, isn't it? So, Cavour was his chief minister, Victor Emmanuel's chief minister. And with the help of Cavour, what happened? They led a war with Austria in 1859. And it was succeeded by Count Camillo Cavour, that is Victor Emmanuel II. So Austria was become a part of this Italian princely state. Then what happened? In the very next year, in 1860, they marched to the south. So there happened the war with Spain. Okay, in 1860, war with Spain. Then, so within these two wars, within 2 years, what happened? This complete state comes under, and it was under the rule of Pope, but it became a part of Italy. Okay. Then, who became the king of or emperor of the complete empire? Italian empire, King Emmanuel II. He became the king, emperor. Then within two wars, Austria and Spain. War with Austria, war with Spain. And in 1861, what happened? Italy was unified. Okay.